Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Rudy again with Euro Yard Service, and many times we get the question, Rudy, when is the time when we can do our spring cleanup or when we can do our yard work once the snow has all gone? So let me tell you one easy trick or one easy method you can do yourself in order to figure out whether it's time to do your spring cleanup. So this is the magic tool. It's a screwdriver. It's a long one, so that's what you want to have, about 6 to 8 inches long. And then pick a spot that's shaded and poke it into the ground and see if and how far it will go down into the ground. And as a reference point, you can pick a spot that is fully sun exposed, and it should go down right to the end here. All this should be basically in the ground. And then when you go over to the shaded spot, if it doesn't go in at all, or if it only goes like halfway or partially, it will tell you the ground is still frozen to how far it will go in. And that's when you want to wait with your spring cleanup. So this spot here is fully sun exposed. I'm gonna put the screwdriver in, and as you can see, it goes all the way in. It goes all the way in here. Now we pull it out again, and I'm gonna show you just a few feet over. It doesn't go in at all, not even maybe half an inch. So obviously you can see we still have a little bit of ice here, but this is only a few feet away from here, going fully down, and here not going down at all. Yeah, so obviously if you still have snow or ice in some areas of your yard, you don't want to go there for your or you don't want to start with your spring cleanup. Again, this is Rudy here with Euro Yard Service. I hope this was a helpful tip with a screwdriver in order to find out whether it's time or not to start with your spring cleanup. Again, to recap, if this goes fully into your soil, even in the most shaded areas, go ahead and do your spring cleanup. If you find areas in your yard where the rod or the screwdriver doesn't go fully into the ground, be a little bit more patient, a few more days, a week, and try again. And once this goes fully in all areas in your yard, you can start your spring cleanup. This is Rudy here with Euro Yard Service. If you have any questions, leave us comments down below or shoot us a message or call us 780-218-8134. Check out our website, euroyardservice.com, or write us an email, contact@euroyardservice.com. Hope you're having a fantastic spring, and hey, be patient if it's not time yet. It will come. Talk to you later. This is Rudy here with Euro Yard Service. Bye.